You often feel tired, not because you have done too much, but because you have done too little of what sparks a light in you. Many of us spend our working days running from desk to desk, solving urgent but insignificant problems. Our managers are constantly searching for ways to get more out of us. We are habitually living in the future, thinking about the next quota to make, the next meeting, the next car to buy, the weekend. We are constantly trying to get somewhere instead of being where we are. We miss the only moment we ever have access to, the now. We spend more time at work than with our loved ones. And when we come home, we are busier connecting to our devices than to the people we love. We have become little more than zombies. Yet we wonder, why am I so tired? We figure it's because we work too much. What if we are not doing too much, but rather we are just doing too little of what truly matters? It's not hard work that exhausts us. It's meaningless work that exhausts us most.